Using the brick tool. The brick tool is amazing. You can use it for many projects. This is the green vintage version of the brick tool. You can still get it online, and I do suggest you get some because this is a very cool looking tool and it's useful. At the same time, the brand new tool that comes in with Legos is also useful as well. It has different uses than the old brick tool has. So let me show you some examples of which. For example, if we have something like this particular brick is very hard to get out. What you have to do is to use two of them. So you put one on top and you put one on the bottom, and now you just press on it and it's going to separate them. Now sometimes it doesn't work right away. As you can see, this is very stuck a lot, so you have to put it like this. Now we're going to put it on the floor and try to open it up. This is very hard. Let's keep trying. So you have to, this is really got stuck. Now what you can do, another way to do this is to use this particular tool of the brick tool, the new one, and try to separate it right in the middle. And check it out, open it right away. So this is one use for the new one that the old one couldn't even do because it doesn't have the edge here. Now there's more things that you can do with the brick tool. Let me show you. For example, the old one, and this is what you couldn't do with it, you couldn't get in. So let's say, for example, you have something like this and you want to get it out of here. You can't, it doesn't fit in. So the new one, you can actually, because it's so short, you can get in here and get this piece out of here without any particular issues. Now sometimes you get a piece stuck, like for example this one, as you can see. Let me show you what you can even do with this. If you have a piece like this stuck in something like that, you can easily get it out using this particular piece. You can just stick it in here and it's just gonna pop right out of it because of this. So this is another very useful tool in the new brick tool. It's a really cool tool that you have to own two of them. There's like no excuse for you not to own those essential brick tools. You have to get them. I suggest either you get those or you get the classics, which is, you still have to use more tools if you get the classics, but the classics are pretty awesome as well. So it's really up to you.